Today I am going to share some exciting mnemonics with you. So let's start. My dear, mitral stenosis is a left-sided valvular disease. So the mnemonics is left disease. L for loud first sound, left mid-diastolic murmur. E for enlarged left atrium. F for fibrillation, that is atrial fibrillation. T for tapping apex beat. Now the disease. D for diastolic murmur. I for irregular pulse, that is atrial fibrillation. S for snap, opening snap. E for expiration, left-sided murmur, increase on expiration. So the murmur of mitral stenosis increases on expiration. A for atrial fibrillation. S for 6, the cross-sectional area of mitral stenosis, usually 4 to 6 centimeter square, and small left ventricle. E for esophagus, the enlarged left atrium press against the esophagus and causes swallowing difficulty. My dear, please look carefully that mitral stenosis. In mitral stenosis, the left atria enlarged but the left ventricle is small. So some more mnemonics on MS. So some details about opening snap. OS is another abbreviation of operating system. We use operating system in our mobile. So if OS is present, then the mitral valve is mobile, and when it is absent, if the valve is heavily calcified. Okay, and OS is equal to OSD. D means during diastole. OS during early diastole. Opening snap during early diastole. The severity of the MS, my dear, any kind of valvular heart disease, if severe, then the pulmonary hypertension or heart failure are the signs of severity of any kind of valvular heart disease. So in case of MS, the specific are MS, like M for long murmur and S for snap, means snap close to second heart sound. Okay, so now aortic dissection, the cause of aortic dissection. Dissection equal to hypertension, dissection equal to Danlos, and aortic equal to bicuspid aortic valve. So bicuspid aortic valve, hypertension, Danlos. Some more causes and the mnemonics. The dissection itself is a word as a mnemonics. D for drug, that is cocaine and Danlos. S for syndrome, that is Marfan syndrome. S for syphilis. E for Ehlers-Danlos syndrome. C for collagen, conceive, that is during pregnancy, cocaine. T for Turner syndrome, and for Noonan syndrome. So my dear, that's all for today. I hope that you find it helpful, and if you find it helpful, please share with your friends too. Thank you. Bye bye.